This route adjustment avoids the construction zone. We'll save 15 minutes. Perfect. I'll update the ETA and confirm the load.
All right, the bill of lading matches the seal. Everything is in order.
Seal integrity confirmed. You are cleared to proceed.
Sensor alignment looks good here.
Yep. Data flow is steady. No anomalies on the last cycle.
Looks like we're clear for full production.
The clearance on the top right.
Got it.
Setting it down now.
The pH levels on the last shipment are slightly elevated. I see that. The tomatoes look good, but let's isolate that batch. See that clump near the mixer? The consistency isn't right yet.
Sure.
I've made the adjustment. The data shows it's normalizing now.
The pressure is reading high on the main gauge.
RP3 values are stable according to the schematic. Let's adjust the feed rate slightly.
Looks good. Temperatures are holding steady. Frying duration stabilized. We are cleared for the next cycle.
Confirmed. System reports optimal levels.
The coverage on the left side seems inconsistent.
Yeah.
I see the drop in the sensor readings here. I'll log the adjustment.
Look at the temperature spike on Sector 3.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
The deviation on line 3 is still high.
I see. Let's recalibrate the sensor after this run.
The error rate on batch 7 shows a clear fluctuation here. Yes, it correlates directly with the laser alignment data on the hologram. We should log this for review.
The storage conditions look excellent on this aisle, well within compliance.
Agreed. The cleanliness standards are clearly being met across the board.
Keep an eye on the valve sanitation here. Make a note in the report. Already on it. Everything else seems to be fully compliant.
We have an anomaly on screen 4.
I see it. Adjusting the parameters.
Continuity check is good on M3. Ready to torque these down. Confirmed. Set it to 150 foot-pounds and log the completion time.
Preventing cross-contamination is crucial. Always use separate cutting boards for raw meat and vegetables.
What about the sanitized equipment?
It must be stored separately as well.
The graphs clearly indicate the hot spots we need to focus on. This is why the new protocols are being implemented. Right, especially Section 3.
The levels of linolenic acid are slightly elevated in this sample. Yes, but the oxidation stability seems consistent with the control group.
The output here seems low.
Yes, but it is within the acceptable range.
Pressure looks good here, but check the fittings on the upper bypass. Already on it. The torque held steady. Check the load balance on the B phase. Reading steady. I'm logging it now.
Look closely at this crimp right here. I think it's compromised. Yes, I see the microfracture. That one is definitely a reject.
There's a small tear near the seal on this packet. Yes, I see it. Logging it now.
You're kidding me. He actually said that. I know, right. But look at the time. We should get going.
We're seeing a significant dip here in the gamma sector. Yes, the projections are stabilizing, but we need to monitor the throughput. Hold on, there's an alert on line 4. The readings are consistent across the batch.
And the auditory test confirms the desired texture. We're seeing 45% humidity and 21 degrees Celsius. It's within tolerance, but keep an eye on the trend. Roger that. Logging the current metrics now.
That's the food-grade lubricant applied. Good. Now let's check the seals on the access panel.
See this stitching here? It's inconsistent. Yes, I see it. We should document that immediately. These masks look good, though. Strong elasticity. Organization looks great. Go ahead and verify the count on pallet 12. Scanning now. Okay, manifest confirmed. All accurate. Pressure looks good here. Make a note of the expiry date.
Got it. Let's check the door mechanism.
The adjustment here stabilized the reading. See that? Got it, looks aligned, and finalized. Calibration passed.
Everything seems to align perfectly with the incoming manifest. Yes, traceability confirmed for this batch.
Are the tolerances holding on the new assembly sequence?
Yes, the data confirms a 99% accuracy rate since the update.
Careful with that stack.
Yeah, I see the plastic wrap. Let's put it over there.
The flow rate is significantly higher than the last reading. Yeah, look at the debris collecting near the junction. We should report this.
I have the final weights here. Do these numbers look right to you?
Yes, they align perfectly with the inventory count.
Look at the southeast corner, camera 9. Oh. Freeze that frame now. I don't recognize him.
Final bolt secured.
Confirmed. Production cycle is complete.
Check this access panel here. Torque is good, securing it now. Okay, checklist complete for this unit. The red line here shows a clear drop in output volume. However, the efficiency metrics are still green. Let's look closer at the factory data before we draw conclusions.
I'm noting the temperature variance here. All right, and I've attached the photo to the digital report. Looks good otherwise.
This one expires tomorrow. We should move it forward.
Got it.
Looks like we are all set for the shift handover.
This route adjustment avoids the construction zone. We'll save 15 minutes. Perfect. I'll update the ETA and confirm the load.
All right, the bill of lading matches the seal. Everything is in order. Seal integrity confirmed. You are cleared to proceed.